My name is Nishant, but my wife calls me Joke Singh. In Delhi, it's really easy to impress women. No, because in Delhi, to impress women, all you have to do is get down on your knees and say, "You have lost weight." This line works. This line is so goddamn universal, it works even if you're meeting a girl for the first time. I'm not kidding. I was on a blind date. And the first thing I said to the girl was, "You have lost weight." You know what she replied? "I love you too. Mwah."
My name is Zakir Khan, and I'm not a terrorist. And I may look like a laborer, but I'm not from Bihar. I just wanted to tell you guys कि Fair and Lovely वाले झूठे हैं और Fair and Handsome वाले भी. अच्छा, जब Fair and Handsome आई तब मुझे पता चला कि छुप छुप के लगानी थी. उसके पहले मैं तो जी खुलेआम ही लगा रहा था. 6 महीने मैंने छुप के भी लगाई. और वो स्केल देते हैं फेयर एंड लवली में, वो लगा के भी देखी, परतें उतरी नहीं भाई साहब. अच्छा, एडवर्टाइजमेंट वाले ना बड़ा काटते हैं अपन लोगों का. जैसे कि विराट कोहली को ले रखा है फेयर एंड लवली है, फेयर एंड हैंडसम वाले ऐड में. मैं कहा जी कोहली साहब का लड़का कौन से दिन काला था, अंडर 16 खेल रहा है, शुरू से देख रहे हैं मुझे. जी आपकी क्रीम अगर इतनी चमत्कारी थी तो आपने विनोद कामली को ले लेना था.
My name is Vamsidhar Bogaraju. Like seriously, like people come up to me and they're like, "Hey, what's your good name?" I'm like, "I don't have a good name." Like, Vamsidhar Bogaraju. It's really sad to have a name like this. Like so sad to have a name like this because people don't tag me on cool things on Facebook, and it feels kind of like, oh man, because there's a friend's friend called Daniel Picardo. Cool, right? Daniel Picardo. You also say it with an accent in your head. Then Vamsidhar Bogaraj. on Facebook, there's this post like, "I went trekking with Daniel Picardo." Like, wow, like the Alps, you skiing and all that shit. I went trekking with Vamsidhar Bogaraju. Yellappa, Nandi Hilsa. I went shopping with Daniel Picardo. You're like, wow, Saks Fifth Avenue, baby. And I went shopping with Vamsidhar Bogaraj. Yellappa, Malleshwaram Market. I went traveling with Daniel Picardo, A380 Kingfisher, baby. I went traveling with Vamsidhar Bogaraju. Shatabdi na.
Everybody knows how to use a mobile phone, okay? Recently, my maid sends me a text message asking for leave. She said, "Dear sir, please leave me today." I am feeling hot. I want to be with my husband. Sophisticated, man. These people are so sophisticated. My maid is so sophisticated that she wants to work from home at least twice a month. She knows more gossips than Times of India. When somebody in the apartment gets pregnant, she'll be the first person to know much before that person. One day I asked her, "Hey, do you know Preeti is 4 months pregnant?" Yeah, I know 6 months back.
Raggedy MS2. I was talking about Raggedy MS2. I went for the preview of that movie. You guys know about the Sunny Leon horror sex, a category like sex horror movies. Exactly. I went for the preview, but I went with my parents. Throughout the movie, my mom kept saying just one thing. "ये कोई नहाने का time है इसका?" But my mom is right. Forget this Ragini. Every horror movies, girls are forever taking showers, right? That's where the monster attacked her. She died in the shower. My mom, very good. Dobara nahi karegi. I don't understand why showers in horror movie. Girls, ladies, if you see a real monster, would you look for car keys or shampoo and conditioner? I'm so scared. But my hair's so dull. My hair has no body. It's a monster with a knife. In 5 seconds, your head will have no body. Just run. I did this joke in a pub once, very drunk lady. When I asked her in the joke, would you look for car keys or shampoo? She said very loudly, I don't drive. Oh, I hope monsters get you there. Just for spoiling my joke. This is every horror movie, right? Girls keep taking shower. Monsters only attacking them in the shower. Total turkey monsters. And guys keep going out to look for the missing dogs. Jimmy! At night, in jungles. Look, even I like animals, but if I start finding dead bodies in my house, I'm not going to jungle to look for a dog. But if my girlfriend says, where's dog? I'll say, screw dog. Yeah, and if Minka Gandhi is there, even she'll say, yeah, screw dog. We'll go to SPCA and pick 5 more dogs. And if my girlfriend insists, no, I must see Jimmy, I'll try to convince her, look, Jimmy is dead. Now you will see Jimmy only in afterlife. You really want to see Jimmy? Go take a shower.
Look at him. लंबाई चौड़ाई बराबर है एकदम चौरस जैसे पालम विहार में चौकोर प्लॉट होता है कॉर्नर का जब खाली प्लॉट होता है लोग क्या करते हैं बाउंड्री वॉल करवा के कुछ चीज़ें लिखवा लेते हैं ऊपर ये आम रास्ता नहीं है गधे के पूत वगैरह वगैरह अब लुक एट हिम लाइक शो योर टैटूज मैन इतना कुछ लिखवा रखा है खाली प्लॉट की तरह और एक सबसे डेयरिंग टैटू इसका जो मैं समझता हूँ इसकी छाती पे लिखा हुआ है कैन यू ये जानबूझ के मफलर बांध के आया आज यहाँ पे स्कार्फ बांध के छाती पे इसने अपनी मम्मी का नाम लिखाया हुआ है मतलब कोई बहुत ही सिक्योर आदमी ऐसा कर सकता है छाती पे मम्मी का नाम टैटू करवाया हुआ है मतलब सेक्स लाइफ की वाट लगी Imagine while having sex, girl would want to know ये आशा कौन है तो कहता है नहीं वो मम्मी है तो अगर लड़की संस्कारी होगी तो पहले तो सिर पे चुन्नी करेगी फिर पैरी पौना करके अलग बैठ जाएगी और अच्छा इसकी हाइट की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है तो ये क्या जिन लोगों की हाइट कम होती है ना तो वो गर्लफ्रेंड में हाइट को कॉम्पनसेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं ही इज़ डेटिंग अ गर्ल हु इज़ 1 feet taller than him मैंने पूछा क्यों कर रहा है ऐसा कहता है कम से कम बच्चे तो लंबे पैदा होंगे मैंने कहा बच्चे पैदा कर रहे हो एवरेज निकाल रहे हो माँ की हाइट प्लस बाप की हाइट बटे में 2
Yeah, my name is Ahmad Sharif, and as you can tell from my name, you're right, I am a Muslim from Karnataka. Thank you for not interrupting, because in my last show, this one fellow actually got up and finished the sentence for me. I was like, so yeah, my name is Ahmad Sharif, and as you can tell from my name, I'm a motorbike mechanic. I got offended, man. I was like, excuse me, sir. Not all Muslims are motorbike mechanics, okay? We repair cycles also. But I'll tell you one thing about us Karnataka Muslims. We people are really not proud of our language. We are not deaf, okay? We know what it sounds like. See, our language is Urdu. Now wait a minute, it's not the filmy, poetic, shairi wali Urdu. It's the bloody Shivajinagar Urdu. But the original Urdu is such an awesome language. It is so poetic, so romantic, so melodic, like it's used all the time in those so-called Hindi movies. Dawn ko pakadna mushkil hi nahi, namumkin hai. Excuse me, that's Urdu. That's Urdu. If it was Hindi, the line would be, Dawn ko pakadna kathin hi nahi, asambhav hai. Balak.
Man, my family is so good, right? Because we travel all the time together. And one of the greatest family trips we've ever had is to Calcutta. Has anyone been to Calcutta before? You know, the best thing we did in Calcutta is that we saw Terminator in Bengali. that shit was off the hook, man, because I saw Arnold Schwarzenegger go. Bhalo, 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 bhalo. Bhalo, 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 bhalo. Tadam, tam, tadam. Tadam, tam, tadam. Ami abar asbo. And the best of it all. Hasta la vista, dada.
Will you all get me a present? Yes, I'm not sure whether I'll be living for my 100th birthday. I'm not sure whether this is my last birthday. Grandpa, you will live for 100 more years. I know that, but you won't be there.